Hello loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Queen. If this is your first time here, you are most welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you a very simple look. It's an eyeshadow look actually, just something trendy, so just watch out, okay? To do that, I'll go in with my blush. I already did this look on TikTok, okay, to show how to properly blend your foundation and concealer onto your face. So if you want to see that, you make sure to join my TikTok live. So I've been doing like some beginner tutorial on TikTok, beginner tutorial makeup. So if you want to see, make sure to join me tomorrow at 12 noon Mountain Time in Arizona. So it's Mountain Time, okay? So I'll go with a lighter concealer. Since it was a beginner makeup tutorial, I didn't want to use like a very light concealer which would be too hard to blend for beginners. So I'm gonna do that here. It's from CoverGirl in the shade Golden Amber, and it dries out real fast. That's why I'm not letting it sit for so long. I'm just blending it straight up. I need to move. So I'll be setting my face using the Makeup Revolution Banana Setting Powder. I'm typically going to set like all the areas of my face before I go ahead to set my contour again. This is me practically setting everywhere. And then I'll go in cappuccino as usually from my color. It's a bronzing palette. It has accents. I use golden bronze to set this area. It's not as dark as cappuccino. Just want to make sure there's a balance of everything while you do your makeup, okay? And then to take out the harsh lines. My blush, I'll go in with the blush from Essence. Pink, whatever. Just set this. This is a translucent powder from my color palette. Just to bring in warmth. I don't want to carve a new nose for myself. Thank you very much. I have faith in this look. Just go ahead and blend this out. So I'll go ahead and set these using my instructions. I really don't do very well with talking while I'm doing my eyebrows, so this is just the short voice over. As you can see, it's looking a bit patchy because when I picked up the colors, I didn't like dust it out of the brush first. So you want to do that when you pick up the colors, you just like hit it on the palette so some of the excess falls off, and then you can continue.
Baby boy, you got no money, yeah, I know. Every day I see the struggles, and you know, one day shall say a horse will go blow.
So try to observe the difference between the two eyes. This one, I dusted out the excess first before putting it on, so you see that it stained more, like it was more uniform compared to the first one. So you can try that out and you see the difference.
I promise I won't go away.
So this shade I'm using now is called No Beans, I think. Yeah, it's called No Beans in the James Charles palette. The first shade was Boutique, and then I'm using No Beans now. They're kind of very similar shade. Beginning to look a bit smoky. We go back in with our beloved Cruise palette. And I take some blue. I'm going to be using this very light blue here. So I'm just going to take this. I pray it comes out well. So we're just gonna do
Things I like, signs you delivered, baby boy, I'm yours. I go pray for you, baby, with all of my heart. Forever I still get baby.
You just need steady hands and a creative mind. And I don't know why my eyes left me up. It is creasing right there. Maybe I need to set that using a blue eyeshadow. So I just really used the blue eyeshadow to pat on there to set the blue because it was kind of bleeding. I don't know if it's because it's a bit too oily, but I don't like the way it toned it down. And because the eyeliner, you know, on top was already messed up, I had to come up with something creative, and I just drew the wing down there. And later on it still was bleeding at the top. I tried to cover that up with the first eyeshadow I used, but it didn't really work out, so I just joined like the two of them, and you see that at the end of the video. I just really hope you like it. I liked it the way it turned out. It's all about being creative. If you do it nicely, it's still gonna look beautiful. Nobody knew I wanted to leave it like this, but you know, I love it. Yeah, so I'm just using some blue liner from, I'm not even sure, I'll check that out and make sure to put that in the description. Oof, there's nothing as bad as using a bleeding eyeshadow or having creases. It doesn't feel good at all. Go in with this black lightly. This lip gloss right here I got from NYX Cosmetics from Ultra Beauty. It's very lovely. I got two of these. Oh, this is Ginger Snap, and the one I just used is called Lava Cake. So the Lava Cake is more of a chocolatey shade. Oof. Make it big Morphe lip gloss. And just put that right in the middle. Oh my god. I'm in love. And guys, I've got a new bestie. Ta-da! This bronzer from LA Cosmetics. No, sorry, from LA Colors. I got this off the dollar store actually. This was just $1 and it works like magic. Like, it is so pigmented and I'm in love with it. So I just take a little, tap that off the bridge of my nose. Do you see that glow? Very subtle, but yet significant. Do you see that? Do you see that? And I'm going to, but before I do this, I'm going to blend this and then dust this off with my brush right there. And then I go back, smile.
Baby boy, you got no money, yeah, I know. Every day I see the struggles, and you know, one day shall say a horse will go.
So So guys, I'll go on now and apply my lashes, put on my wig, and I'll be right back. And then we're gonna take some bomb ass pictures. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I now decided not to use my wig. I didn't want to like put any glue on my skin today, and I decided to hop on this cap, and I'm loving it. I love the eye look. It started messing up, so I just decided to connect these two down together. I hope that makes sense. And if you found this tutorial useful, please like this video and leave a comment in the description, in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to also check the pictures up on my Instagram. I'm going to pop it up somewhere on the screen, and it will also be in my description box, so you can check it out. And I'll see you guys. Bye.